Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a WhatsApp business account tied to a reachable phone number and admin access in Meta Business Suite. Once done, open Business Suite, go to Settings, then Business Assets. Make sure your business page is connected to Business Manager. Next, select WhatsApp under Channels and click Connect Number to begin verification. You need the phone nearby to accept an SMS or call. Do this now so the verification code process is ready when prompted. Once you initiate verification, enter the code sent via SMS or call. This confirms ownership. After verification, choose the Business Manager asset and assign the verified phone number to your Meta Business Suite page. Make sure to confirm the display name and business profile details because these appear to customers. Grant required page permissions to the account or teammates who will manage messages. Finally, enable messaging features and templates if needed, which prepares automated replies and message. Finish by testing. Send and receive a message to confirm the connection is live and message templates work. Once confirmed, enable quick replies, FAQ, and automation to streamline responses. If the number fails to connect, rerun verification, ensure the number isn't on a personal WhatsApp account, and check number portability or carrier blocks. If problems persist, remove the number and repeat the link process or use another phone to receive the code. Keep notes on errors to speed support if you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.